Today, I'll show you how to use split screen on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So what you want to do is open an app that you want to use in split screen, and with the app open, tap on the recents button, or if you're using gestures, simply swipe up until halfway and release, and this is going to bring you into the recents menu. So now you tap on the name or the arrow that's next to the name of the app that you want to use in split screen and simply select split screen. Now an apps menu is going to appear, so tap on the app that you want again to use in split screen. I'll choose this one. And now as you can see, the two apps have been opened in split screen mode. So if you want to adjust the screen real estate, you simply tap and hold this divider and drag it up or down to adjust the screen real estate based on the app that you want to use a bigger screen for. If you want to switch the apps around, you can do that by simply tapping on this divider and tapping on the arrows, and the apps are going to switch over. Now to close the split screen, you simply have to drag the divider all the way up or all the way down and release, and the apps are going to be closed from split screen. Now let me just show you one more thing you can do when you're on an app that supports split screen to quickly open split screen. So simply use two fingers and swipe this way, that is right, to open split screen, and simply select the other app that you want to use in split screen once again. But that's basically how to use apps in split screen on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.